Apple is launching today the new Apple Watch Nike Plus Series 4, with the device available in stores and the first orders delivered to customers. However, for those who want to buy a watch at an Apple store, there may be a wait as there are only limited quantities available. This version of the new Apple Watch has some changes that separate it from the primary model of the Series 4. There are new sports watches and Nike bands, which include 3 bands all black, white with black and black details with neon yellow details. There is also a band woven in black or silver gray with reflective thread. The watch comes with the pre-installed Nike Run Club app, which offers more than 180 workouts. The Apple Watch Nike Plus Series 4 comes in sizes of 40mm and 44mm, and can be purchased as a package with any of the bands, except the black and yellow neon. This new Apple Watch Nike Plus model is priced between $399 and $499 in the US, and additional bands can be purchased for $49 each. The watch is widely available as of today throughout the world, including the USA, EU, Australia, Canada, the United Kingdom and large swaths of Asia and Europe.